Hi students, welcome to RP class. Now we can see the ninth problem. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining A of minus 2, 2 and B of 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. What they are saying, they given 2 points. First point is A minus 2, 2 and B point is 2, 8 and they are saying we need to find the coordinate points. These coordinate points is divides this AB in 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. I am taking the coordinate points. The first point P, next Q and R. See, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the PQR divides AB in 4 equal parts. See, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they given the coordinate points divides the line segment AB in 4 equal parts. Now we need to find the ratio. How we can find the ratio? All is a equal distance. Why? 4 equal parts. So how we can write the ratio? P ratio, first how many equal parts? 1. 1 is to remaining 1, 2, 3. So 1 is to 3. How we can write the ratio of Q? First how many equal parts? 1, 2. 2 is to remaining 1, 2. 2 is to 2. Next how we can find the ratio of R? 1, 2, 3. 3 equal part, remaining is 1. Like that we need to find the ratio. First we need to divide AB in 4 equal parts, not a 4 coordinates. Some student what they will do, no? AB and they will see 4 equal parts. So they will write P, Q, R, S. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that they will write. Not like that. 4 equal parts. See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 equal parts. So this is wrong. You just count. They given 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. And how we can write the ratio? First P means first how many equal parts? 1. The remaining is 1, 2, 3. 3. The Q 1, 2. The remaining is again 1, 2. Or 1, 2, 3. 3 equal part. Remaining is 1 equal part. So 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. Then we need to find the PQR. How we can find? Using a section formula. Easily we can find. So first write, let the given points be A of minus 2, 2 and B of 2, 8. We need to find first, therefore the coordinate points of P. Therefore the coordinate point P equal to, write the section formula. M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1 divided by M1 plus M2, M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now we see this is a X1 Y1 and this is a X2 Y2. We need to find the coordinate point P. Therefore, we need to take the ratio 1 is to 3. So now this is a M1, this is a M2. Apply all the value in the formula. Equal to M1 into, so 1 into X2 2 plus M2 3 into X1 minus 2 divided by M1 plus 1 to 1 plus 3. Then M1 1 into Y2 2. 1 into 2 plus M2 3 into Y1 again 2 divided by, M1 into Y2 value is 8 here. M1 into Y2 8. Then plus M2 into Y1 2 divided by M1 plus M2 1 plus 3. Next 1 into 2 2. 3 2s are minus 6 divided by 4. 8 plus 6 divided by 4. 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4 divided by 4 and 8 plus 6 equal to 14 divided by 4. 4 4 cancel. Here 2 7. Therefore the coordinate points P is minus 1, 7 by 2. 4 fours are 1. So minus 1 comma 7 by 2. The coordinate points of P is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Same like we need to find the coordinate points of Q. Therefore next the coordinate point Q. Q equal to same formula only, but here we need to change the M1 M2 value. We need to find the Q coordinate value. Therefore now this is the M1 and this is the M2. Apply all the value in this formula. M1 into X2, M1 2 into X2 2 plus M2 equal to also 2 only. So 2 into X1 equal to minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2 plus comma 2 into 8 plus 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. Here 2 into 2 4 minus 4 divided by 2 into minus 2 minus 4 divided by 4. Then 8 16 8 2s are 16 plus 4 16 plus 4 divided by 4. Listen here. 4 minus 4 0 0 divided by 4 comma 16 plus 4 20 divided by 4 20 divided by 4. If we cancel mean here 2 and here 10 here 10. Again we can cancel second table. So now it is a 5. Here see 0 by any number 0 0 by any number 0. So 0 comma 5. Therefore 0 comma 5. Now, therefore, the coordinate point of Q is 0, 5. Therefore, the coordinate point of Q is 0, 5. Next, we need to find the coordinate points of R. Coordinate points of R equal to. Now, we need to change the M1, M2 value. R means this is a M1 value and this is a M2 value. Apply the value in the formula. So 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1 comma 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 plus 1. Apply the value in the section formula. Only we have to change M1 M2 value only. So 3 2s are 6 minus 2 divided by 4 and 24. 24 plus 2 divided by 4 equal to 4 divided by 4 comma 26 divided by 4. Here we cancel mean 1. Here 2. Here 1 3. So 13 by 2. Therefore 1 comma 13 by 2. 1 comma 13 by 2. The coordinate points of R is 1 comma 13 by 2. Like that we can find the PQR value. Here only you have to know how to find the ratio. First you need to divide the 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write the ratio. How we can write? P means first how many equal parts? 1. Then remaining is count 1, 2, 3. Right. Like that we need to write the ratio. Then apply the value in the section formula. Then we can find the coordinate points of PQR. Coordinate points of PQR. Okay, now we can see the last problem. Find the areas of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. They given a hint areas of a rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. See first what is the rhombus? This is the rhombus. So here A, B, C, D. First point, vertices of first vertices I took A, so 3, 0. Second vertices I took B, so 4, 5. And third minus 1, 4. Last vertices minus 2, minus 1. Okay, 3 vertices we know. We have to find the areas of rhombus. Areas of rhombus hint they only given. What they given? 1 by 2 into product of its diagonal. Product of its diagonals means what? What are the diagonals here? AC and BD. AC and BD are the AC and BD are the diagonals of this rhombus. AC and BD are the diagonals of this rhombus. So product of its diagonals means 1 by 2 into AC into BD. So we need to find 1 by 2 AC into BD. That is what? That is the areas of rhombus. Okay, what is AC? First we need to find the AC and BD. AC, how we can find AC? Using a distance formula. We know the 2 points. How we can find the distance of these 2 points? Using a distance formula. Therefore, AC equal to, what is the distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we can apply the value in the formula. What is x1, x2? AC. AC means this is a x1, this is a y1 and this is a x2 value, this is a y2 value. Apply the value in the formula. X2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3 the whole square plus y2 4 minus 0 the whole square. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 the whole square plus 4 square. Minus 4 square 16, again 16. 16 plus 16. Sum of two same numbers we can write to 2 into 16. Why? 16 plus 16 also 32. 2 into 16 also 32. See here, root 16 value is 4. So remaining is root 2. 4 into root 2 is the value of AC. So we need to find the one more diagonal BD. BD equal to, here what is x1, y1 value? Now this is x1, this is y1 and here x2 and here y2 value. Apply the value in the formula. What is the formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. What is x2? Minus 2 minus 4 the whole square y plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 5 the whole square. So minus 6 the whole square plus minus 6 the whole square equal to 36 plus 36. 6 square value is 36. So sum of same number, two numbers, we can write 2 into 36. 2 into 36 we can write. So what is the root 36 value? Root 36 value is 4. Root 36 value is 6. So remaining is root 2. So root 36 value is 6. I am taking 6 outside. The remaining value is root 2. Remaining value is root 2. Now we know AC value and BD value. Apply the value here. So we have to find the areas of rhombus. Areas of a rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into AC into BD. So 1 by 2 into AC equal to 4 into root 2 into BD equal to 6 into root 2. Here this 2 and 2 cancel, 4 cancel, remaining is 2. So 2 into 6. 2 into 6. This root 2 into root 2 the whole square. Root 2 into root 2 the whole square. This 2 and square root cancel. So remaining is 2 into 6 into 2. Square and square root cancel. Remaining is 2 into 6 into 2. If you multiply means 2 6 are 12. 12 into 2 24. 24 square units. 24 square units. So they only given the hint areas of rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. How we can find the diagonal? Using a distance formula, we can find the AC and BD. Apply the value here, then we can find the areas of rhombus equal to 24 square units. Thank you, students.